Hello glam dolls, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to be washing the tubes for the lip gloss. So what I'm doing is I first sterilized it with some Awesome, as you seen earlier. Right now I'm washing the bowl out that I will be putting the tubes in. So these are the tubes. I'm only going to do about 4 because this is my first time doing the gloss. So I don't want to mess anything up, and I don't want to do too many things of that nature. So I'm taking them apart piece by piece. So I'm breaking them down to 3 parts, which is the top, the lid, and then the actual squeeze tube. I'm running hot water and dish detergent. So as you see, I added a little bleach. So I'm just gonna put all that in the bowl with the hot water and just let it sit. You know, wash them, shake them up, get all in the tubes. And I'm gonna put on some gloves so that when I wash them, they will continue to be sterile even after I clean them. So that is why I did put on gloves. So again, I'm just washing them right now. So I'm just trying to get all the bleach and soap out of them right now. I'm gonna rinse them a couple of times. I actually filled each tube up with water and squeeze it out to make sure there was no suds, no bleach left, anything of that in the tubes. That's what I'm doing now. They're all filled with water as of right now, and then I poured it all out. And I still have my caps and the tops inside of the bowl. So as of right now, there's no soap or bleach on them. I cleaned them thoroughly. This is the syringe. I'm going to clean that as well because, again, even though it's packaged and it's supposed to be sterile, we don't know where it came from. And that is where all the gloss is going to be going to. So definitely need to clean the syringe as well. So I just put it all in one bowl. What I'm going to do is get a paper towel. I changed my gloves out and I only put one glove on, and I'm just taking them all out and letting them air dry for tomorrow so that we can make the gloss. So remember to like, comment, subscribe. Any tips you would like to give, any questions you have will be greatly appreciated.